When outsourcing your video projects, it is important to have a single point of contact or a small team managing decisions. Now, I understand that some decisions need to be run past different department heads, but that doesn't make them part of the project. In the beginning, we consult with them for information accuracy and on-brand messaging. Otherwise, there is no reason to bring in other voices. The decision maker is the gatekeeper, the defender of the project. Keeping the team small protects the vision of the project. When we have to account for the input of more and more people, two really awful things happen. First, the project vision becomes diluted. Decision by committee is a creativity killer. It is also really annoying to get feedback from someone who has not been involved in the project from the beginning. They aren't on board, but they want to be heard. So we have to implement their suggestion because of internal politics, and now the project isn't what we envisioned, and no one is happy. Second, more input from random voices creates more change work orders. This is a fast track to scope creep, which we have already discussed. So, who is the key decision maker? Who has the authority to sign off on this project? Who is responsible for protecting the project from outside influence and derailment? In the next and last video, we will talk about the first question I get asked all the time. What will this video cost?